Knowing the right time to introduce the dust bath for your broiler chicks is very necessary because it will definitely affect the growth of your broilers. In this video, I will show you when exactly you need to introduce a dust bath for your broiler chick. I'm TJ Ryan from Farfest Academy. I normally introduce a dust for my broiler chicks at 1 week. That means I will remove the carton. If you're using carton or newspaper or brooding paper, but I don't normally advise people to use their brooding paper. No need for you to waste your money buying brooding paper. You can just go out there to people selling provision and then beg them for carton if you have to buy. Like if you're Nigerian, 1,000 naira can serve you a lot instead of using the money to buy a brooding paper. And you can change it because you have more than enough. Because you have more than enough in carton, you can change as many times as you want. So don't say waste the money in buying brooding paper. So after 1 week, that's the 7th day after vaccination. After vaccination, I will remove the carton and they can start enjoying the dust bath. Although when I started out, that's what I did. When I was starting out, my first brooding, I introduced a dust bath for them at 3 weeks. Yeah, no, not even 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, that should be when they were entering the 4th week. But I've seen that it is better for you to introduce dust for them at 1 week, because dust help to reduce the ammonia level in their brooder. With this now, you will know the exact time to introduce a dust bath for your broiler chicks. But if you want to know more things about how to brood your broiler chicks, watch this playlist.